Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel AM Altura Virtual Campus. In this video we are going to explain general exceptions under the BNS. General exceptions means circumstances under which certain acts are not considered as offense under the BNS. Section 14 of the BNS tells that if someone do something wrong because they truly believe that they had to do it by law, because of misunderstanding of facts, they won't be punished. Section 15 of the BNS says that judges are not punished for the decisions made by them while doing their job in court. It protects the judges if they act honestly and legally while doing their duty. Section 16 of the BNS says if someone do anything because the court told them to do so by way of judgment or court order, they won't be punished. Section 17 of the BNS says, if someone do any wrong by mistake, by thinking that they are allowed to do it by law, they won't be punished. This applies only if they made the mistake about the facts, not the law. Section 18 of the BNS says that, if someone hurt another person by accident, while doing something legal and carefully, without criminal intention, they won't be punished. Section 19 of the BNS says, if someone cause harm to another person without criminal intention to stop a bigger harm, then they won't be punished. Section 20 of the BNS says that kids under the age of 7 can't be punished for the wrongs done by them. Section 21 of the BNS says that kids between the age of 7 to 12 can't be punished for the wrong done by them if they don't have enough maturity to understand what they did. Section 22 of the BNS says that if a person is mentally ill and don't understand what they do, they can't be punished for their actions. Section 23 of the BNS says that if a person got drunk without their knowledge and doesn't know what they are doing, they can't be punished. Section 24 of the BNS says that if a person got drunk and understand what they are doing, then they are punished for the offenses done by them. Section 25 of the BNS says that if two persons above the age of 18 agrees to do something legally, like boxing or sword fighting, if one cause hurt to another without any knowledge or intention, then they can't be punished. Section 26 of the BNS says that if someone help another with their permission while helping cause any harm without any intention and knowledge, they can't be punished. Section 27 of the BNS says that if someone with the permission of the guardian, while helping child or mentally ill person, cause any harm without any intention and knowledge, they can't be punished. Section 28 of the BNS says that consent given because of fear, under incorrect facts given by person who are mentally ill and drunk and not able to understand what they are doing, are not valid consent. Section 29 of the BNS says that if a person agrees to any illegal act, then they can be punished. Section 30 of the BNS says that if someone help another person who are not in a position to give permission to help and has no guardian and anyone in charge of them, they can't be punished. Only if they help without any criminal intention. Section 31 of the BNS says that if someone make any communication with another person to help them with good intention, they can't be punished. Section 32 of the BNS says that if someone is forced to do something because they are threatened with immediate death, they can't be punished. But this doesn't apply if they do murder, an offense against state, punishable with death. Section 33 of the BNS says that if someone do something that cause only a small or harmless injury, it is not a crime. It applies only when a normal person is not seriously upset because of it. We hope you have learned about general exceptions under the BNS without any doubts. If you do have any doubts, please mention them on the comments section. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and follow us on social media for instant updates about our next video. Thank you.